Alrighty guys, LG ThinQ washer in pretty much every washer. If you're getting a leak and it's not coming from the hoses, this washer inlet valve could be your problem. This thing is about 2 years old. You can clearly see where it was leaking. This part is from Amazon. This did not work even though it was the same part number. You can see the solenoids are much taller on this one. You can see the height difference. Clips weren't the same. I did try to modify them just to see if it would work. It did not. This part was 90 bucks. This part was $25. Do not waste your time and buy the cheap part. Just go ahead and order. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, there you can see where it's leaking right on top of that valve. Right there. That is the cold water inlet valve. So if you've got water on your floor behind your LG washer and your wife's been nagging you for the last 2 months to fix it, that might be a problem right there. Alright, you're going to want to remove these 2 screws here. I will loosen them up for the purpose of the video. The top. So I want to pull this back just like that. There's your valve right here. Now here's the correct part, the one you ordered off of this QR code here. This is from Amazon. Do not order this Amazon one. You can clearly see the difference in the solenoid sizes. This Amazon one did not work. This one matches. You can see the rust. This is where the water comes from. You just need to disconnect these 3. You can mark them 1, 2, and 3. I will mark these hoses because when you take them off, they're just flopping around. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you're gonna disconnect all these hose clamps. Disconnect your water. There's a screw right here, and everything will come off nice and easy. Might have to grab a hold of these, free them up just a little bit. One screw right here. And this piece is clipped in right here. Hold this aluminum piece down, wiggle it out. There's your piece. Now, just put it back in reverse order. Make sure that's clean. Make sure you got your filter in there. Alright, so number 1. Number 2. And number 3. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Get the screw, clip this back in. Put your screw back in. Put your hose on, turn your power on, you are good to go.